We are what we eat. One thing I am always mindful about is to eat and cook good food. Not only delicious and wholesome, but made with clean, good quality ingredients. We are all aware of how harmful chemicals and additives can be, but somehow we tend to ignore. I remember once I boiled some dal bought from a local store, and as I opened the lid, I got a toxic chemical smell. That changed my entire mindset. We have made a conscious effort since many years now to choose from farm fresh produce, products with minimal ingredients, and to choose homemade over processed as much as possible. During this lifestyle shift, 24 Mantra Organic was my go to for organic Indian ingredients, which we usually don't get it in local stores abroad. I started with just trying their dal varieties and ended up using almost all their products. I've been always impressed reading the ingredient list at the back. No artificial ingredients or unnecessary and unfamiliar names, and of course, no foul smell, just better taste and better peace of mind.